Hey beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because I'm doing a full face of makeup using only drugstore products. And trust me, these products perform like high-end without hurting your wallet. If you think affordable makeup can't look flawless, this video is about to change your mind. We're talking glowing skin, snatched brows, fluttery lashes, and the perfect lip all on a budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly beauty tutorials. Let me know in the comments which drugstore product is your holy grail. Let's get started. Step 1. Moisturizer and primer. A top affordable option is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. This moisturizer is famous for its lightweight, fast-absorbing gel texture that delivers deep hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. It contains hyaluronic acid, a powerful ingredient that attracts and locks in moisture, helping the skin stay plump and fresh throughout the day. The ELF Power Grip Primer has become a cult favorite in the beauty community because it literally grips your makeup in place. It has a slightly tacky, gel-like texture that smooths the skin and fills in fine lines and pores without feeling heavy or greasy. Infused with vitamin E and green tea extract, it nourishes the skin while creating the perfect base. Step 2. Foundation and concealer. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This is one of the best drugstore foundations ever. It gives a natural matte finish, controls shine, and blurs pores without looking heavy. The coverage is medium but buildable, so you can keep it natural or build it up for a glam look. LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. Super affordable and very high coverage. This concealer is great for hiding dark circles, blemishes, and redness. It blends easily and doesn't crease too much if you set it properly. Apply under the eyes, around the nose, and on any spots. Blend quickly before it sets. Step 3. Setting powder. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose. Finishing powder is a lightweight, micro-fine powder created to set makeup and blur imperfections without looking cakey. It's transparent on most skin tones, but has a slight tint that helps brighten the under-eye area and smooth texture. Step 4. Bronzer and blush. The Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer is a favorite for its creamy, buttery texture and tropical scent. It's formulated with murumuru butter, tukuma butter, and kupwaku butter, giving it an incredibly smooth application that blends effortlessly with a brush. The Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso is famed for delivering a healthy, almost lit-from-within glow. Its baked formula means the color payoff is vivid, yet easy to build. And it has a soft sheen that keeps the cheeks looking bright without being glittery. Luminoso, specifically, is a universally flattering peachy rose shade that adds warmth and radiance to the complexion. Step 5. Highlighter. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder packs a major glow at a tiny price. The finely milled formula gives you an intense sheen that's easily layered, so you can go from subtle luminosity to blinding highlight without dragging or patchiness. It's soft, buttery, and applies beautifully with a fan or tapered brush. Step 6. Eyes. The ELF bite-size eyeshadow palettes are mini palettes that deliver surprisingly pigmented shadows perfect for quick, everyday eyes. Even though they're tiny, the formula is creamy, blendable, and includes both matte and shimmer finishes. The neutral tones make them versatile for soft daytime looks or deeper evening glam. The Essence Super Precise Eyeliner features a very thin brush tip, which makes drawing sharp lines and tiny wings easier than most drugstore liners. The black ink is rich and intense, drying down quickly so it stays put without smudging, even on oily lids. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara has a fan-shaped brush that separates and lifts lashes from root to tip. Its formula builds volume and length without clumping, flaking, or feeling crunchy on the lashes. Step 7. Brows. The NYX Micro Brow Pencil is a favorite drugstore brow tool due to its ultra-fine tip and natural finish. The thin pencil point mimics real brow hairs, allowing you to draw fine, soft strokes for a realistic look. And the built-in spoolie helps blend and soften the lines. The formula isn't waxy or stiff. It glides on smoothly and lasts all day without smudging. Step 8. Lips and Setting Spray. The NYX Slim Lip Pencil is a creamy, richly pigmented liner that defines and shapes lips with precision, preventing feathering and helping color last longer. Paired with the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick, such as touch of spice, you get a comfortable matte finish that feels smooth, not dry. These lipsticks come in many versatile shades that flatter everyday looks. Optional. Add a clear or lightly tinted gloss like Essence Shine 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 for a juicy finish that doesn't feel sticky. ELF Stay All Night Setting. Mist helps melt powders into the skin and keeps makeup locked in place for hours while giving a natural finish.